Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto E32S, and let me show you how to force restart of this device. So basically all you have to do is to tap on your power button and hold it for a while. Keep holding. And now you can release the button as only you see the logo, wait a couple of seconds, and then you can smoothly use your device in a normal way. And that's it. As you can see, you can smoothly use your device as previously. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.